Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 24th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So the euro dollar is finally gaining a little bit of strength. I don't know if it's from the PMI for the dollar or if it's more of a euro move, but we are seeing a fairly strong euro today. I am really hoping for this breaker structure. If we get this breaker structure in the next 24 hours or so, I think that will prove that the wave A or the wave 1 is finished on the daily time frame range, which means that the next move up would probably be a crutch into the whole move down, either a wave B or a wave 2. But either way, it should be a pretty profitable trades to start looking for longs once we get that breaker structure. Now, as usual, I will not be going long until I see the breaker structure. Honestly, there's really no reason to say that this might do something like this, bounce off one of these fib levels and just keep on trending down. The trend is not over until we get a breaker structure on that correctly tuned time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.